It's one of the most asked tech questions on Google, and to be fair, at a first glance, it doesn't really make that much sense. So why does restarting fix so many things? If you have ever had problems with technology and asked someone to help, you've most likely been asked if you have tried turning it off and back on again. Is your PC running slow? Restart it. Is a web page misbehaving? Reload it. Are your keyboard strokes not registering? Take the USB cable out and plug it back in again. Is your internet connection choppy? Restart your router. Is your camera having trouble with autofocus? Turn it off and back on again. Is your stereo system not letting you change the volume? Unplug it and plug it back in. Is your phone laggy? Give it a restart. Is a game that you're playing running at really terrible FPS? Quit to desktop and restart. Is a piece of software not responding? Go into Task Manager, terminate the process, and then turn it on again. Does your computer have a really bad virus? Uninstall and then reinstall your operating system. Get a fresh start. And it works. And it works miraculously well a surprisingly large amount of times. But why? The answer is mistakes. You see, one thing that all of these pieces of tech have in common is software. And software means code. So bugs, glitches, memory leaks, infinite loops, which are all bad things, are not uncommon. When programming, you have to try to think ahead and make sure that your software can cover as many likely use cases as possible, but that's not always the case. Sometimes a piece of code runs into a snag and it just locks up for a second, fixes itself, and continues working correctly. Other times, however, that snag is too big for it to just overcome and it gets stuck. Maybe it starts working really slowly, maybe it begins showing all sorts of janky visual glitches, or maybe it just completely crashes and becomes unresponsive, a good example of which is the well-known fatal crash, the Windows BSOD or blue screen of death, which you've definitely seen at least once. So, if the device can't just get over its problems, the best thing you can do is restart it. That way it gets a clean slate, with all of the issues of the previous session wiped away, and it just starts working normally again. All restarting really does is clean all of the errors that have built up and allow your device to get back to the routine of not being annoying. So, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, you can click on the right to watch my latest video, or on the left to watch a random video, or just click the round channel icon in the middle to subscribe. And as always, this has been Vlad from Goodsauce Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.